If you're trying to open an OST file but Outlook just won't cooperate, your Exchange account is gone or your mailbox feels completely locked, don't panic yet. A lot of people think an OST file is useless once Outlook breaks, but that's not true. There is a reliable way to convert an OST file into a PST file that Outlook can actually open, and today I'll walk you through it step by step by using Stellar Converter for OST. First, let's clear something up. OST files are tied to Exchange or Outlook accounts, which means Outlook normally controls them. But when that connection breaks, Stellar Converter lets you extract your email without needing Outlook to be connected. This method is completely legitimate and commonly used by IT professionals. Now, let's start. First, download and install Stellar Converter for OST from the official Stellar website. Once it's installed, close Outlook completely before opening the tools. This part is important to avoid file conflicts. When you launch Stellar Converter, you'll see a simple screen asking you to select your OST file. If you don't see it, simply go to the home menu and click on Select Outlook Data File. Now, if you already know where your OST is located, click Browse under Choose Mailbox manually. If you don't know, click on Find Outlook Data File. Most OST files are usually found inside the Outlook folder under your user profile. If you don't know the location, just click Find and the software automatically search your system for OST file. Once your OST file is selected, click Convert. Now the software will scan the file depending on the size of your mailbox. This may take a few seconds or a few minutes, so be patient. After the scan finishes, this is where Stellar really shines. You'll get a full preview of your mailbox, emails, attachments, contacts, calendar, entries, notes, everything, all neatly organized just like Outlook. This preview lets you confirm that your data is safe before you export anything. Next, choose the folders that you want to convert. You can select everything or only specific folders if you don't need the entire mailbox. Now, click on Saved Converted Files. From the list of formats, choose PST. Select a destination folder where you want the PST file to be saved and then click OK. The conversion process will now begin. Once the conversion finishes, open Microsoft Outlook and then go to File, then Open and Export and click Open Outlook Data File. Browse to the PST file you just created, open it, and that's it. Your emails are back inside Outlook, fully accessible. One important thing to know, the free version of Stellar Converter lets you preview your data, but to actually save the PST file, you'll need a paid license. This isn't a workaround or trick, it's simply how professional recovery tools work. So if your Exchange account is deleted, Outlook won't open. This method is one of the safest and most reliable ways to convert an OST file to PST without data loss. And that's exactly how you convert an OST file to a PST file in Outlook using Stellar Converter. Clean, simple, and effective. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.